Hi, welcome, Simon here. In this video, I'll be doing a screen protector installation from Smart Devil Screen Protector. Here I have the iPhone 13 Pro. If you have iPhone 13, you can follow along with the video as well. This is a sponsored video. They sent me this product, and one thing good about this product is I like how they have this dust-free box series, meaning that you're using the box as a cover while installing the screen protector. This way you won't have any dust on it, as well as you're not getting any air bubble in it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. In the box here, you're going to have two packages. One of them is for you to do the cleaning solution, meaning that you wipe down on the phone, as well as kind of clean out the dust on the phone before you do the installation. In the second package here, which allows you to set up and install the screen protector with dust-free protection, and of course it will be no air bubble on it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is to get one of this package. In the package itself, it has 3 instructions on what you need to do. First, you need to go ahead and clean off the phone. Get this little kind of alcohol wipes, wipe off the phone, make sure there's no dirt or fingerprint or oil print on the screen. Wipe it off. The second is to use the microfiber, and this microfiber cloth allows you to remove any of the dirt. Once you're done with doing the microfiber, the next step is to get this dusting sticker. So this dusting sticker allows you to stick anything that is on the screen. So if you have any linen, any dust, any tiny little things on the screen, you just want to stick it off the screen. So right now it looks clean to me. It's time for the installation. So bring out the dust-free box series. They give you multiple of these things, and also the manual instruction on how to install. If you want to follow along, you can. Now I already have one of these pre-installed here, making sure that you kind of have it latch onto the top of the screen. As we speak, I see some dust landed on the phone, so I'm going to dust it off. Okay, once the thing is clean, what I need to do is I gotta place the phone face down like such. Push it all the way down. Close it. And what you need to do is start pulling it at the very bottom. You have to pull all the way until that wrapper comes off. While you're still holding it down, press it a little bit and remove the phone. At this point here, you just have to peel it off, and there you go. You have the entire phone with this screen protector is already installed and aligned properly. So I hope this video is helpful. If you do find the video is helpful, please go ahead and click on the description below. I'll link it to Smart Devil, where you can get it from Amazon. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.